Okay, so I want to talk about something that's really nice, which is this keyword. What does this keyword actually mean? So we're in Java, we're in an OOP world, object oriented programming. So we have classes and we want to create objects from this kind of classes. So for every object that we have this to reference the objects that we're in. So for example, if we have created two different cats here, one is Roxy and the other one, let's say Lily. So I'm gonna create here, this is cat Lily and we have cat Roxy. I'm gonna say cat Roxy. Okay, so now this means we have a reference for this object. This here represents the object that we are creating, which is Roxy, and for the other cat that we have, which is Lily, this one, we're having this for its different objects. So basically, for any object we create, this relates to the object that we're at. So for example, if we made the cat Roxy dot print, this like this here evaluates to the name that we have added, which is Roxy. And if we try to put cat Lily print, this evaluate to the Lily object, Lily name, which is basically what we have inserted in the cat Lily object. So this is basically the kind of definition of this. You will find that this here, and in order to prove a point here, I'm gonna debug here to show you what's gonna happen. So right now we have put like this name is Roxy, and if you found this is the object that we're gonna be having, and we're at this statement right now. So I'm gonna put another breakpoint here in order to show you when we go to this point, we're gonna be looking at the other objects, which is not gonna be Roxy, it's gonna be Lily. So now let's run it, and I didn't really jump into that. Okay, so I'm gonna debug again just to prove the point, and yeah. Okay, so for this one is Roxy. Let's run it and see why does it skip. I'm just gonna put two breakpoints here just for the sake of explaining this point. Okay, so for the first print we have the cat Roxy. This is the first cat that we have, and we're gonna be printing it. So what happens, we should be going. Okay, yeah, I was running the run is, yeah, this is due to the fact that IntelliJ had different behavior. I'm used to the old IntelliJ one, but yeah, I'll just switch it to the new. So okay, so now this is a resume debugger. Yeah, so if we try to run it here, this is gonna be for the Roxy. Yeah, this is basically the Roxy cat, and this is representing this kind of Roxy. But if we try to resume, we'll find out that we are at this point right now, which is cat Lily, and when we resume again, we're going back to the print, and we have a difference this time, and this is now Lily. So for every object, this represents the object that we're in, which is in our case Lily right now. And yeah, this is basically the point. Now we're printing cat Roxy and Lily, and yeah, this is basically it.